This might be the easiest New York cheesecake you'll ever make, and it tastes like it's from a bakery. With a buttery Biscoff crust and ultra creamy filling, this dessert is guaranteed to impress. Let's start with the crust. Add the Biscoff biscuits to a blender. Blend until they resemble fine sand. Mix the biscuit crumbs with the melted butter until evenly coated. Transfer the mixture into an 8-inch round cake pan. Press it down firmly to create a flat, even base. Bake at 170 degrees Celsius for about 10 minutes. While the crust bakes, prepare the filling. Add the softened cream cheese, the sour cream, vanilla extract, and the sugar. Mix until the mixture is completely smooth and creamy. Now add the 3 eggs and mix again until fully incorporated. Finally, add the all-purpose flour and give it one last mix. Pour the cheesecake mixture over the baked crust. Return it to the oven and bake at 170 degrees Celsius for 45 to 50 minutes. Let it cool at room temperature first, then refrigerate for at least 2 hours before slicing. What's your favorite cheesecake topping? Biscoff, berries, chocolate, or caramel? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to follow for more easy recipes every week.